Yeah, you just saw me do the flash torch. It was actually my first time doing it, and I had to do it for several minutes. My finger really hurts, really stings, it really hurts. Um, this trick you have to set up, not like you have to do in Twilight Zone, which, yeah, I gave it away. You have to set it up. Ooh, like you already didn't know that. Um, but um, with this trick, you have to overfill the ladder so that you can see a visible pool in the bottom when you're filling it. You have to overfill it. And how this trick works is drop it down, shake it around, up and down, closing and opening it real fast. And what that does is it gets that overfilled fluid on the tip of your finger. And then bring your finger in a little bit, and that strikes your wheel. And you have a flame here, and you have a flame on your finger. And you have to quickly blow it out, or else it'll start hurting after a minute, or after about 2 seconds. So let's see if I can get it this time. Wow, it's really overfilled. But that's the essence of that ladder, of that trick. But you kind of have to do it in your own time, practice it. But this is one of those tricks that you can't do safely. I mean, you can practice the striking part by making sure you got a dry ladder. You still got flint in it, but you can still hurt yourself. Because while you're slinging this up and down, this is coming up and pinching your finger. And it doesn't feel too good. My finger, as you might be able to see, is a little darker right here. That's where it's been pinching. And so that's not really a good spot for it to hurt. Because I use my finger a lot. You know, like scratching my head, feel like an idiot, or whatever. Type in on my computer, stuff, whatever. This is one of the few trick videos that I have to edit because I'm not very good at this particular trick. I did it, and I got that in one particular part. So, excuse me for any cutouts and missing pieces and bumps. Um, with this, you don't want your finger to be lit on fire for too long. Because after 2 to 3 seconds, I mean, you can have your finger in here for 2 to 3 seconds. It depends on how well adapted to fire you are. But whatever. Another thing with this trick, same with the pop top, it will wear out your hand because you're slinging around so fast and so hard. You don't want to overfill it either because then that gets your flint wet and your striker will wet and it won't light. And then you got once it dries off a little bit, you go striking your whole lighter's on fire. No, that's not a good thing to do. But yeah, um, I would definitely say this would be a hard trick. Seeing as it has to deal with fire, and you can cut yourself. Pinching so hard on here, it may cut. It depends on how you're doing it. Um, Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera very much. I'm not camera shy or anything. It's just I have a hard time talking to a little hunk of black plastic thumb stand, a flashlight taped to the top of it. Um, but that's the trick. Flash torch. I definitely say don't try this at home. Try this outside on a gravel pit or on a paved road or something can't get caught on fire until you can do it good enough where you won't mind anything else on fire except your finger and the lighter. And I recommend not doing this with long sleeves like I was. I don't recommend a lot of closing around. I don't recommend really trying this as a beginner. I would recommend going to some other tricks before you try this one. But I'm Drake Thomas Booth. Have fun. Be safe. Don't light anything on fire that's not supposed to be. Alright, guys.